Okay, today we're going to discuss how we are going to get rid of these annoying advertisements when you buy some software on the bottom right of this computer, and also other notifications that Windows 10 really likes to pop up. So it's actually pretty easy. So you simply go to, in the search bar, type notifications, and you'll see a notification and action settings. Okay, so that's under settings. Another way to get there would be to go to settings right here. And then I like, just for about anything that you use in Windows, you can literally type something in and it will find it for you. So as you can see here, this particular item on the bottom right is for PaintShop Pro. Now, this notification is being set by can be blocked from get notification from apps and other senders, as you can see here. So if I turn this off, what should happen is it should block this in the future. But as you can see, it also blocks a lot of other things too. So, that's something you might want to consider. And we can go by name. Okay. And so I generally don't want to see any of this baloney. So I turn it off. And that's all it is. Thank you.